Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to remove the weather from your Windows taskbar. This is actually quite simple. First of all, you should not be surprised that my weather is in German, since it is my first language, but that does not matter for the tutorial. To remove the weather, I make a right click on the taskbar and now I select News and Interests. If I don't want to see the text anymore but I still want to see the icon, then I click Show Icon Only. As you can see, the text is gone, but the icon is still here. If I don't want any of that, I make a right click again, go to News and Interests again, and select Turn Off. And with that, the weather is already gone from the taskbar. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.